Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Marriott Bonvoy points redemption. We'll dive into how to get the most value from your hard-earned points. Many members wonder if their points are truly worth it, and we'll uncover the best strategies. From free nights to unique experiences, understanding the system is key. Stick around as we break down the numbers and help you make informed decisions for your next adventure, ensuring you maximize every single point. When it comes to Marriott Bonvoy, redeeming points for hotel stays is usually your best bet. Free night awards can offer exceptional value, especially when you utilize the stay for 5, pay for 4 benefit, effectively getting 1 night free. This strategy significantly boosts your points worth. Generally, you'll find point values hovering around 0.7 to 1 cent per point for standard redemptions. Look for off-peak dates to stretch your points even further and unlock premium experiences. Beyond hotel nights, Marriott Bonvoy offers other redemption avenues, though their value can differ. Transferring points to airline partners, often at a 3-to-1 ratio with a 5,000-point bonus for every 60,000 points transferred, can be strategic for flight awards. Marriott Moments provide unique experiences like concerts or culinary events, but assess their cash value carefully. However, options like gift cards or merchandise typically yield a much lower return, often less than half a cent per point, making them less ideal. So, is Marriott Bonvoy points redemption worth it? Absolutely, if you're strategic. The highest value consistently comes from redeeming for hotel stays, especially when you leverage the 5th night free benefit and target off-peak periods. You can often achieve a value of 1 cent per point or more this way. While other options exist, they generally offer less bang for your buck. Focus on free nights to truly unlock the power of your Bonvoy points and make your travel dreams a reality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.